racing just is started. We have a storm break quickly at the start. Moving up on the outside, Aloha, Madam Leonora, Deadly Storm, Ingay, Ingay. Fabiola comes next while a star of Manila is the early trailer by about 6 lengths of the leader. We have Madam Leonora by about 3/4 of a length lead. Storm in second. Moving up on the outside now is Aloha. Deadly Storm comes next. Ingay, Ingay. Moving up on the outside is Star of Manila. In the middle portion comes Fabiola. We have Aloha. Now takes command by about half length. Madam Leonora in second. Then here comes Ingay, Ingay. Now moving up to take third. And on the outside comes Star of Manila. Storm comes next. Then followed by Deadly Storm while Fabiola is still racing in 7. Then at a far turn we have Aloha by about 3/4 of a length lead. Then here comes Ingay, Ingay. Moving up on the outside. Madam Leonora is racing in third. The Star of Manila, Deadly Storm, Fabiola and Storm. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Aloha by about a length. Ingay, Ingay. Moving up on the outside to take the lead. Down on the inside now is Deadly Storm, Madam Leonora. Last 100 meters we have Ingay, Ingay by about 2 lengths followed by Deadly Storm. And finally the program opener, Ingay, Ingay. Second is Deadly Storm, close between Madam Leonora and Aloha.
1, 3, 4, 6, 2.
Right. Ingay-ingay din.